I won't go to your house. Dad, I won't go to...
Tell her. Say you got a new brother.
I got a new brother.
What?
I got a new brother.
You have a brother?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, do you hate your baby brother?
Yes.
Oh, that's great. Well, I have a
That's
sister.
great.
You want to come to my house and play with it?
Yeah.
She was born after when she was in the hospital, and I thought, but she's not born anymore. She's on our house. And so we can see the mud taking a bath and stuff. What?
Yeah.
So, what are you doing today?
I'm doing good.
Tell me you started school.
I got to school.
Oh, school. So, what are you learning in school?
The school.
She asked you what you're learning.
So what are you doing in school? You say circle time?
School. Circle time.
School is Western time? Like Eastern time?
Yes. I did that.
Say it right. I love you.
I love you.
Okay.
So what do you do? So what do you do with your brother? Tell her what you do with your brother. Help feed and stuff. You help.
Feet.
You give him the bottle.
He feeds his brother.
I'm kind of tired of talking. Maybe when I come to your house, I'll talk to you later, okay?
Okay.
All right. I love you.
I love you.
Okay.
Bye,
Yeah.
Lily.
Bye.
Okay.
Lily. Hey, Lily. How are you, honey?